crispy gyoza stuffed full of cheese and beef and a spicy dipping sauce. These are my spicy beef and cheese gyoza. Cheese, dumplings, little crispy bits of mozzarella. Oh, this is just like my perfect dream dumpling. So first off, we're going to start off with the filling, and it's super simple. I just want a little bit of beef mince first of all, and some garlic. And some spring onion. I'm just going to go back and finely chop this white part of the spring onion that's a bit larger, and then finely slice the rest. Now to help bind everything together, I'm going to add an egg, and I want a good decent pinch of salt here. Now we need to mix this together, and the idea here is that we really need to keep mixing until this becomes really nice and sticky, well incorporated. You'll see the difference. Okay, so you can see it's well mixed together, but also you can see it's quite sticky as well. That's exactly the texture we want. Okay, now folding these guys couldn't be any easier. I actually want to leave the ends open so I get some of that oozy cheese coming out and crisping up in the pan. All we need to do is grab a hold of our gyoza wrapper, add some beef here, and then I've just got some firm mozzarella that I've sliced into strips. Wet the edge there, fold it over, push the tops together, and that's it. Easy. Now, look at those little guys all lined up, ready to get all delicious. Before we get them sizzling though, I'm going to make a little dipping sauce. Now, start off with some soy sauce, some vinegar, and then this is my homemade chili oil. You can use store-bought, but this one has heaps of awesome spices like star anise and cinnamon and bay leaves. It's really quite great. A lot of you have made it because I know you've written in and told me about it, and you can find the recipe on my YouTube channel or on my website. So just a few spoonfuls of that. It does pack quite a punch. Let's mix that together, and now time to do our dumplings. So when your pan's nice and hot, add in a little bit of oil, and then the dumplings go in. Okay, so when we can see that little bit of nice colour on the bottom there, now we need to do some steaming. So get yourself some water, have a lid handy, and in you go. So these just need about 4 or 5 minutes under the lid, and we're just going to let that steam cook that beef all the way through and get the tops of the gyoza nice and tender. Okay, so I can smell these beauties. I can smell that cheese starting to crisp up. Most of the water is evaporated. It's exciting. Now I just want to give these a few more minutes with the lid off, just so I can get those little bits of cheese nice and crispy and brown on the edges. Okay, these are looking very good. Ah, look at that color on that side. Ah, so perfect. There you go. I mean, does it get any better? Look at those crispy edges, that cheese, spicy sauce. That combination, the cheese, the beef, the salty sauce with that spicy chili oil. This is pretty much heaven for me.
If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys.